To download the Bedfont framework, make sure you're connected to the internet and visit bedfont.com. Scroll down the page and click Downloads on the bottom right. Click Bedsoft to begin downloading the framework. Once downloaded, open up your Downloads folder and double-click on the Bedsoft framework to begin the installation process. Follow the instructions on screen. When prompted, please allow the program to make changes to your computer. Once the framework has installed, the drivers will need to be installed. Please follow the instructions to do so. Once installed, you will now find the Bedsoft icon on your desktop. Double-click to open the software and allow the program to check for any updates. If a framework update is required, you will be prompted on the left of the screen. Click to download and install the update. Once prompted, please allow the program to make changes to your computer. Once Bedsoft has been updated, it will automatically restart. Please allow some time to check for any further updates.